Hello to everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, this is a small video where I can give you some updates about keyboard and receiver. At this stage we have ready the keyboard and the receiver, and I can show you 10 effects and 10 sounds per page. I remember you that we will send to you one zip file with 31 sounds, so you can store it in your SD card, and we have one sound for each button. In this moment the only missing thing is the ramp, because we don't have finished it yet, but we will do it in the next few days. So let's go to the Falcon so we can see every sounds and every effect. Okay, here we are. The keyboard works. Now there is the initialization.
I'm Captain of the Millennium Falcon.
Okay. We have a new channel. In the number 8 there is now the Canon. So if I press number 8, as you can see, there is this LED, because if you have the 3D printed Canon where you can put inside the fiber optics, you can send one or two or three or four lights to the Canon, and you have also the light effect. Okay, this is the channel number 8 in the page 1, and the number 10 is the engine failure. Okay, now in the page number 2, as you can see, we have the power channels. We have these 6 power channels, and for example in the number 1 I have plugged my 6 fans. So if I press 1, okay, as you can see we have these 6 fans running. Of course, if I press the number 1 again, they turns off. Okay, we have this sound in the channel, also in the channel 2, 3, 4 and 5. For example, this is number 4, so I will go to turn on the number 4, and in the number 6 I have the engine sound. This is the engine sound. For the moment I don't have here the LED strip, but I will plug it in the next future. Okay, off, because I press again number 6. In the other channels I have, for example, some movies sound. This is number 7.
We're home.
Okay, for example, if you have any figures, you can do some movies scenes. Okay, let's go in the page number 3. This is the page number 3 where we have the ramp, that for the moment it is not plugged, but we have the sound. So this is the sound of the ramp. Then in the number 2 we have the radar. So if I press number 2, okay, this is the radar search. As you can see, it's very cool. And then we have 4 relays channels. So This is number 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are 4 relays outputs from here. Okay, so if I press again, I go off. For example, in the other channels I have movies sounds again. For example, this one from page 3. That's all for this new video. Okay, that's all. Hope you like it. In the next few days we will finish the ramp and all the other parts, so we can complete this job. After that we will start to build the remote control. In some past videos we have seen the prototype, but this one is the definitive remote control. So keep on following this channel. Remember to subscribe and please give me a thumbs up. We will see you soon in the next few days. Cheers!